Hello and welcome to Presenter Media. My name is Kara Jones and today I am going to be discussing how you can use the Insert Zoom feature as well as the Morph Transition feature to be able to enhance your PowerPoint presentations. Now if you're using Office 365, you have the ability to go to Insert and Zoom, and this will allow you to create a dynamic hyperlink that points to another slide in your presentation that will have a zoom aspect of it and an image that automatically updates. So we click on Zoom, go to Slide Zoom, and you can see that we have a preview of all of our slides. For the smart template that I'm using in the background, and this is just one of the many templates on presentermedia.com, I'm going to make a zoom to slide number 2. So we click on Insert. So now instead of seeing all of this stuff down here, which is pretty cute for the actual presentation, we are going to replace this with the zoom to the slide. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this for the rest of the SMART goals. And these are your standard 5 SMART goals. Most businesses have something along these lines with their leadership teams. All right, so now we have all of our zooms, if you will. And I'm not going to put them into any, make them look really nice or anything, but so you can see now when we play this slide, we have these zooms. Now, if you click on any of these zooms, what it's going to do is it's going to link you to that slide. So it's not actually zooming in on that element, it's jumping to slide number, we'll say 5 or whatever the case may be. It's actually a hyperlink. Now, the cool thing about using Zoom is if you change the slide that it points to, so let's say I'm just going to insert a picture. I think I was playing with a picture of a cat earlier, so that should be readily available. Baboon, peas, there it is, picture of a cat. Insert. So if I go here and I change this, the cool thing is the zoom is automatically going to change with whatever picture I put on here. So that is a great feature. That is a feature of Office 365 though, not of Office 2016, 2019, anything along those lines. I am putting a hyperlink in onto this little house to slide number 1. So I'm just inserting that little house into each of these slides, and that house has a hyperlink that will take you back to slide number 1. You can right click, go to edit link, and you can see it all points to slide number 1. Okay. Next, if you don't have the ability to insert zoom, so let's say it's not an option for you, that doesn't mean that you're dead in the water. You can still mimic that by using the morph animation on your slides. So I'm going to get rid of these hyperlinks right here. I got rid of the summary section. Now what I'm going to do is, so we have this whole slide and we want to make it look like we are moving to this slide, right? That's the thing. I will say, get rid of anything, get rid of the hyperlink. That's the whole slide. Get rid of the hyperlink that's already on the slide. There's a reason for that, and I'll show you in a minute. Select the whole slide, right click, save as picture. It's going to save, in my case, it's saving to my desktop, that's fine. Now I'm going to go to the front page, insert picture from my device, picture number 2. So now I have what looks like that slide, okay? Now, using the morph feature, it is reliant on the original slide. So now I have a hyperlink that looks like the slide we're going to. That's fine, but all of these features here are not going to be here. So if I apply a morph to this slide, nothing's actually going to happen. So if I hyperlink this to slide number 2, play my presentation, even though the slide has the morph effect, it's still a regular transition into that slide. What we want it to look like is that it is zooming in on this big old picture right here, right? So now this is the tricky part. You have to copy the slide that has SMART on it. I know it's weird, but so you have to copy that slide and make that duplicate slide the one that has the word SMART on it. Okay, good for that. Next, delete everything else off except for that one picture. Now that one picture, as long as it was the size of your slide originally, right? You right-clicked on everything, you did save as a picture. This is the entire slide, so the spacing is fine. Okay, so now we have this morphs to this. Now keep in mind, this is just a picture. This isn't actual text. So this is a 3-step process. First, you fix all the text in here, save it as a picture, put a copy of the picture here, make a morph, replace everything with the picture, and then last but not least, go insert my house icon with my, let's do that one. Got my little house, link, back to slide number 1. Okay, all right, so now let's play this. So again, I didn't change the animations. This was just to show you guys. So now when I click on this button here, all of these are gonna go away and this is gonna zoom in. Oops, it's zooming to the wrong slide, my bad. Okay, let's try this one more time. Hyperlink. That's on me, I linked to the wrong slide. Okay, let's try this one more time. Click and zoom. It kind of cheats, but at least it mostly works. So again, you can use a morph. It's multiple steps, but you can do it if you don't have the access to use insert zoom in PowerPoint. I hope that helped. I'm sorry for the long tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns below. This was a user requested video, so it has less editing in it than normal because the goal was to get the video done for the user as soon as possible. So with that being said, this is Kara Jones with Presenter Media. Let's make great presentations.